Hi kids, welcome to the class. Let's learn how to write the letter Q. To write uppercase Q or big Q, start at the top and go all the way around to the left, like the letter O. Then go toward the bottom and make a line down to the right. Let's try it again. Around to the left, down to the right. That's the letter Q. Now why don't you try? Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase q or small q. Start in the middle and go around to the left, like the small letter C. Then go back up to the middle and straight down. Let's try it again. Around, up, down. Excellent! Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter Q. Next, let's see what words start with the letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quail. Q for quill. Say it again with me. Queen, quail, quill. Good job! For our next video on how to write the letter R, please subscribe to EllieFun.